Hello beautiful, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you everything you need to start doing your own nails at home. Save some money besties, because actually it's pretty easy to do your nails at home. I use polygel, you can use gel, acrylic, whatever your heart desires. So I started to do my nails at home about 3 years ago, and you know, I'm getting better every single time. You just need to practice a little bit, and actually there's no secret. I mean, you have to have a lot of patience, so probably that's the secret. Anyway, so before we jump into this video, please subscribe, hit the red button, ring the bell, activate all the notifications so you can get notified every single time I'm posting a new video. Help a girl out to make her dreams become reality. And yeah, if you guys want to see what you need to start doing your own nails at home, to create your little salon at home, you know, bring some besties, have some fun. Yeah, anyway, keep on watching. First I'm going to let you guys know how I started to do my own nails at home. So I always had very long nails, strong, thick, strong claws. But with time they started to get super thin and very fragile, so I knew that at my local, you know, salon they do how is that called, semi-permanent nails. So I went and I got my nails done, and I don't want to flex, but I'm a Leo and I'm a very good observant. So I took, you know, some notes I learned from just watching the girl doing my nails. So I went a couple of times and then I said, you know what, I can do that at home by myself. I don't need to pay every single time I'm going to that girl 20 euros, because it was 20 or 25 euros every single time I was going. And I said, you know what, I'm going to go on Amazon and I'm going to look for everything I need to start doing my own nails at home. So that's what I did. With 20 euros I bought everything I needed, my girlfriend. Okay, so everything I needed, it cost me maybe less than 20 euros. So that was a bargain to begin with. And as I said, I started doing my nails with semi-permanent, so it's not gel, not polygel, it's not acrylic, it's just semi-permanent. It's like a type of gel but for beginners. So yeah, I started to do my nails with semi-permanent. I gathered a little bit of experience from doing that. Overall I was happy with my nails. They were super strong, so that was my main goal, to make them strong so they don't break. But after 2-3 weeks they started to peel like that semi-permanent gel. It started to get, I don't know, softer. You need to wear gloves if you wash dishes very often, so that's something I learned in time. Okay, and then I said, you know what, let me just look for something a little bit more durable, a little bit more hard. So I think I started to do the dip thing with acrylic, if I'm not wrong. That didn't work for me because I didn't like that. Anyway, so then I looked for a gel. Gel was so complicated because it's so runny. You need to be very careful with gel. I didn't like gel, so I said, you know what, I'm just gonna, you know, cut my nails and wear regular polish until they grow stronger. So that didn't work because my nails never grow stronger. They did grow a lot, but they were never as strong as before. So then I saw that video on Facebook. I also filmed a nail tutorial video based on what I saw on Facebook. I thought it was that easy to do your own nails at home with tips. Like you apply the gel on the tips and then you apply the tip on your nail, you cure it, and boom, you have beautiful long nails. And that wasn't it. That wasn't it. No, don't get fooled by those clips because they are super edited. They don't show you the whole process. So yeah, if you want to check that video out, it's a huge mess, but you know, I learned something from that video. So yeah, I'm going to list all my nails tutorials down below if you want to check them out. I feel like my last one is the most informative one, if I'm not wrong, or maybe the one before that. Anyway, I'm going to list them all down below. And yeah, that's how I started to do my nails with polygel. I know I'm talking a lot, I'm so sorry, but I wanted to explain you a little bit how I got into Polygel. So yeah, I wanted to let you guys know a little bit of the story behind on how I started to do my own nails at home. And let me tell you, like, that motivated me a lot. If the girl from your local salon can do nails, so can you. If I can do my own nails at home, so can you. Okay, you just need to practice. You need to, you know, play with it. Don't get frustrated, because at first it was annoying, nothing was right, and yeah, it's a whole process, but you just need to practice and learn and find your way, I guess. Please don't have very high expectations at first, because you're gonna get disappointed, okay? So please don't give up. Anyway, so I'm going to tell you that I have a coupon code for this beautiful set that I'm currently using. This is by the brand TOBEGLAM. I have a coupon code down below if you guys want to check them out. Also, their website is down below. So this set comes with mostly everything you need to start doing your own nails at home. So it comes with 6 polygel colors. So you have the clear one, you have 2 nudes, a pink, and some glittery ones. Also, it comes with a base and a top coat. Then it comes with a beautiful, very good brush. I love it so much because it's so tiny and so precise. The tip is pretty fine and you can be very precise around those cuticles. Also, it comes with the form tips, whatever they are called. I don't use them because I have long nails and they don't match my nails perfectly, and that's annoying to me. I don't use them because of that. I do have another brush and this one is not that good, so I'm telling you, get this kit because the brush is amazing, and also the polygel is very, very good. I love the formula because it's so easy to maneuver to get it around the cuticles. I love it. I don't think I have anything else to say about this kit. Also, it comes with a lamp. I don't know what I did with the lamp that comes with the kit. It's a little bit more small, but you can do 3-4 nails at a time. So yeah, also it comes with a file. So as I said, I feel like this kit is pretty complete, but you still need a few more things. One of them, which is very important, is slip solution. Without this, you cannot maneuver and work this polygel because it's super sticky. Trust me, I know what I'm saying. You want to have your brush always dipped into the slip solution. I need to purchase this because I have just a tiny little bit left. And I got this from Amazon. I think I paid 9 euros or so. The bottle is pretty big and it will last you a pretty long time, not gonna lie. So yeah, I need to repurchase this because I don't have any left. Then you're gonna need some acetone. I'm using no acetone. What? Doesn't make sense. So also you can use alcohol, but I'm using this to clean my nails, you know, to remove that sticky layer. You can also remove the sticky layer with the slip solution, but this is a little bit more expensive, so I recommend you to get acetone. As I said, you can also use alcohol. This is alcohol. To remove that sticky layer on top if you need to remove that, or when you're buffing your nails you need to remove that dust, so I use acetone for that. Then you're gonna need a little container to put your slip solution. You need to work with small quantities because this evaporates pretty fast. Then you're gonna need a little buffer to buff your nails to make them a little bit more smooth, you know. Also, you're gonna need a electric file. I have to be completely honest, I don't use this. I don't like it. I feel like it's, I don't want to say painful, but if you're not careful it can get painful. So I do prefer to take off my polygel, like to remove the polygel with a file, not this one. I recommend you to buy this type of files. They are more coarse. I think this one is the 100 and 180 grip, but these are for acrylics or gel. So yeah, I do recommend you to buy this type of file if you don't want to use the electric one. I think this one was around 10 euros. or 12 euros on Amazon. It's pretty affordable. So I like this more to remove my polygel. And when I'm removing my polygel, I just sit on the couch. I have a huge towel on me. I'm watching TV or Netflix and just, you know, I'm doing my thing. Don't go too strong. I mean, you're definitely gonna feel that if you go harsh on your nails with a file. Don't do that because you don't want to ruin your natural nails. So yeah, I don't know what else. Very important, I don't like to use this type of cotton rounds, whatever they are called. I bought from AliExpress a while ago. I need to purchase them again. These are not cotton, I don't know how they are called, but when you wipe your nails, they don't leave behind those fuzzy things, which are super annoying. If you apply top coat on top of those fuzzy things, they will stay in there forever and you will notice them. They are super thin, and as I said, when you wipe down your nails, they don't leave behind that fuzzy thing. These are annoying. I don't even use them on my face anymore because they leave behind those fuzzy things and they are super annoying. So yeah, I like to use this thing. I don't know how this is called. I don't think this is cotton, but it's pretty much more like the wet towels. The fabric is very similar to that, but I feel like it's a little bit thinner than an actual wet towel, so, or makeup wipe. So yeah, obviously if you want colors, you go and purchase some gel colors, but to keep it basic, this is everything you need. Slip solution, very, very important. Do not open this if you don't have the slip solution, okay? Don't even try, don't even try, don't go there, because this is so sticky, it gets everywhere. And if you don't have the slip solution, you're not gonna make it work. Okay, so yeah, I feel like this is everything you need to start doing your own nails at home. Everything I showed you is super affordable. If I can find the links, I'm going to let them down below for you guys, but everything I have, I feel like is from Amazon or AliExpress, or I think I bought this on Shein for like 6 euros or so, and it's so good. I do really love it. But the little lamp that comes with the TOBEGLAM set, it also so good, so you can start with that and you know, and then upgrade with more supplies, obviously. So yeah, if I'm missing something, please check my description box below. So if you want to learn on how to do your nails, just keep on practicing and you'll get better in time. I also follow this girl on TikTok. I'm going to put her TikTok right here. She's so talented. Oh my god, I feel like I learned a lot from her. She's so talented. I also follow her on Instagram, so probably I'm going to put her Instagram right here. Go check her out. And I guess that's it. As I said, if you guys have any questions, please let them down below. I'm going to be more than happy to answer you. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. Okay, so I already wrapped this video, but I forgot to mention something important, or at least I feel like it's very important. So, wow, camera, get it together. After you dip your brush, like to manage to maneuver the polygel, as I said, you need slip solution. So you go with your brush, you dip your brush in slip solution, and to remove a little bit of that excess slip solution, I recommend you to use a paper towel. You can also use a fabric towel, but in my opinion, this one is better. This one can have fuzzy stuff, so you don't want that. You don't want that, okay? So I do recommend you to use paper towels. So I feel like that's important, even though it's nothing, but to me it's important. So yeah, I forgot to mention this.